Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine. You are most welcome in online classes, Divine Public Senior Secondary School, Maharajganj. This is Anurag sir. After a long time, we are connecting here. So, from today, I shall teach you social science by online classes. So, all the students come to the point. Today we are going to discuss about history. So let's start the first chapter of history, that is the French Revolution. The first chapter of the history in class 9, that is the French Revolution. Students, I have written some topic here and one by one we shall understand these topics. So first topic is given here, definition of revolution. Before understanding the French Revolution, we have to understand what is the actual meaning of the French Revolution. Action taken by a large group of people to try to change the government of a country, especially by violent action, that is revolution. After that, the second topic is given here, the French society during the late 18th century. Now we have to discuss about this topic. In 1774, Louis XVI, a 20-year young from Bourbon dynasty, ascended the throne of France. He was welcomed by empty treasure. The France was reeling under tremendous debt, which had mounted up to 2 billion livres. Students, you know what is livre? Livre was the currency in France during 1793. Unit of currency in France discontinued in 1793. Okay. For meeting this expense, increase in the tax was inevitable. Students, this topic has completed. After this topic, we have to understand how many states were in France during 1789, during Revolution of the French. So, there were 3 states in France. First state, second state, third state. Now, who will involve in which state? First state, clergy person were included in first state. Second state, nobility. Third state, big businessman, merchant, court official, peasants, artisans, landless laborers, servants, etc. Some within the third state were rich and some were poor. The burden of financing activities of the state through taxes was borne by the third state alone. Now the third topic is here, the struggle for survival. Population of France grew and so did the demand for grain. The gap between the rich and poor widened. This led to subsistence crisis. The struggle for survival. Now the fourth point is here, the growing middle class. Listen everyone. The 18th century witnessed the emergence of middle class, which was educated and believed that no group in society should be privileged by birth. These ideas were put forward by philosophers such as John Locke, the English philosopher, and Jean-Jacques Rousseau, French philosopher. The American Constitution and its guarantee of individual rights was an important example of political theories of France. These ideas were discussed intensively in salons and coffee houses and spread among people through books and newspapers. These were even read aloud. So students, this topic also has completed. Now the fifth topic is here, outbreak of the revolution. Outbreak of the revolution. The French Revolution went through various stages. When Louis XVI became king of France in 1774, he inherited a treasury which was empty. There was growing discontent within the society of the old regime. So this was the reason for outbreak of the revolution. Students, now some important date is here and we have to discuss one by one. What happened in 1789? Louis XVI called the State General to pass the proposal for new taxes in 1789. Now 1791, the important date in French Revolution, 1791. In 1791, National Assembly completed the draft of Constitution. It limited the power of the king and guaranteed basic right to all human beings. France became constitutional monarchy in 1791. See 1792 to 1793. What happened between this year? France abolished monarchy and became a republic. National Assembly was replaced by convention. King and queen were executed. So 1792, 1793. This era also known as Reign of Terror. 1792 to 1793 was known also Reign of Terror in France. The last point, last date is here, 1795 and 1799. In 1795, Jacobin Republic overthrown, a directory rules France. A new convention appointed a 5-man directorate to run the state from 26 October 1795. And what happened in 1799? The revolution ends with the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte. So students, here we have discussed some important topics in French Revolution. The French society during the late 18th century, the struggle for survival, the growing middle classes, the outbreak of the revolution, and some important date also we have discussed here. Now the next topic we will read. Students, some question I have given here and you will complete. The first question is here. Who was the king of the French Revolution? No. Who was the king of the France during the French Revolution? The first question is here. Second question is here. Who wrote the Social Contract? Third question is here. Who was the leader of the Jacobins Club? Okay, student, you will complete these questions. Thank you.